Alright, this is another early game that I made. It's called Wind Up. It's kind of timed, but not really. The goal is to hit all the holes consecutively in the lowest number of shots possible. So this is a game where the lower the score is, the better you did. So you have to hit the 10 hole twice, and then the 20 hole twice, then the 30 twice, then the 40 twice, and finally you need to hit the 50 and then the 100 each one time. Perfect score in this game is 10. I have actually only achieved that one time ever. I usually miss at least something. I will play this game once now. All right, 22, which is a pretty horrible score for me, but you get the idea of the game. It's only timed in the sense that if you don't hit the necessary hole within 45 seconds, then the game ends, just for the purpose of not sitting there trying to make a hundy for 5 minutes.